we have right now. We got the picture, we got the copy of the flight ticket. Fact is, she left Kenya, layover in Ethiopia, from Ethiopia in India. After that, she vanished in thin air. No communication, nothing. And that's 2019. This is my sister right here. Elizabeth is here in the USA, ako hapa USA. And as you can see, wacha nikwambie, nasemanga kwamba damu ni mzito kushinda maji. And this is exactly what you're seeing right here. Elsie, I've seen your comment and we'll touch on that subject as well. Lydia Malesi, let's pray and hope she is fine, wherever she is. I'm gonna let me bring that up. Can you, my sister, can you explain to the viewers on that picture? Aliana Black, that's your sister?
Yeah,
right?
Black, yeah, that's her.
And
na wale watoto wako pale au na watoto wake